la moto está tirada en el piso, yo no me puedo mover.
got gas in the ashtray. Twin turbo, Mary Kate Ashley. 3 doors on my 68, yeah, man. 4 screen on my 97 Path A. Get it, hey, lift and a whip it through the fast lane. Ride clean if you ask me, I said. Good tree, bad ones in the backseat. Keep it running like a track meet. On the track B, I'm an athlete. Actually, I'm a rap beast. Classy, but a rap mean. Past tree, then a stack green. Last seen in the back streets. Mac in, bring it that heat. That's me, that's me. Whole squad lit on some trill shit. Going all in, can you feel it? I'm hardened on some realness. I said no stopping. Making money with the homies I was broke with. Get it poppin', she really wants it. I gotta go all in. I gotta go all in. Keep game in my pocket. Keep lanes in my cockpit. Remain on my boss shit. So basically, all up in a minute you be thanking me. On the beat, I be straight slanging things. See, it's my time to intervene. Interlude, feeling me like this, that thing. Get gone with it. Sick drum when I spit bars with it. So get gone with it like damn. Whatever soothes the pain. Whatever soothes the pain, ayy.
I see you, I see you, I need you, I need
kicking style, style on top of style, miles on top of miles. Boy, I'ma go the distance. All my cars got gas in the ashtray. All my cars got gas in the gas tank. Got so much gas to be passing. Pass some of that to the back, man. Hold up, wait up, can you catch me? If you can't, you the man, no referee. Me did with the black and the white and the stripe. Boy, I'ma keep shit edgy. I'ma keep shit stepping in the midst of all this. Stay ready, keep my grip and don't slip. Stay steady, make the flip, stack that fatty. Yeah, please don't tempt me. What? This might get messy. Yeah. I hope you digest it. Full from the bottom, we from the trenches. This how I stepped in. Make it my route. We all on a mission, all in my face. Push you away, blocking my vision. No stopping this kid, man. Not even quick, stand riding with wisdom.
I see you, I see you, I need you, I need you right around me, riding around me, right around me, riding around me.
All my cars got gas in the ashtray. All my cars got gas in the ashtray. All my cars got gas in the ashtray. All my cars got gas in the ashtray.
Y bueno gente, hasta acá llegó el video de hoy. La verdad quiero agradecer a ADM Motos que pudo hacer esto realidad. Me ayudaron muchísimo, laburaron muy bien, muy profesional, súper rápido. En 2 días de laburo la moto salió del taller ya funcionando, así que termino súper contento. Eso sí, la moto tiene algunos detalles de raspones, como puede ser en el guardabarro, como en el carenado del tanque, pero no me hago problema de eso porque yo tenía pensado cambiarle el color a la moto, hacerlo un plateado o mandarla a pintar. Así que por ese lado no me hago problema de esos rayones, es algo que van a estar viendo en el canal mucho más adelante cuando esté mandando a modificar el color de la moto. Y nada más que decir, muchas gracias a todos por ver el video, por apoyarme, por siempre estar preocupándose de cómo está mi salud. Esperemos que a fin de mes tengamos buenas noticias, lo voy a estar actualizando por Instagram o por Twitch, así que estén pendientes.